In this video, I will show you how to get the old Roblox mouse cursor back on your PC or laptop. So let's jump straight into the tutorial. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come to the search box at the bottom and you want to type Roblox into here to locate the Roblox player. Next, what you want to do is right click onto the Roblox player and click onto Open File Location. From here, just go ahead and right click again onto Roblox player and again onto Open File Location. So the next step is to double click onto content and then you want to double click onto textures. So from here, what you want to do, you want to be looking for two things. You want to look for arrow cursor and arrow cursor far. So you just want to scroll down towards the bottom and you're going to see down here we've got the arrow cursor, which is this one, and we got arrow far cursor. So to select them both, you want to hold down Control whilst you click the mouse. And next you want to hold Control and click C on your keyboard to copy both of those files. So next what you want to do is stay in the same folder and you just want to scroll up until you get to the cursors folder. Go ahead and double click and then you want to go into keyboard mouse. And then what you can do is delete these. So this is actually a new cursor that I downloaded to change, but you can go ahead and delete those. That's no problem at all. Keep the I-beam cursor, but delete these ones. And then just simply hold Control and press V. And what that's going to do is paste the old style cursor into the folder. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate if you dropped a like on the video. And make sure you do subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest tips, tricks and tutorials for everything tech and digital related. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.